So, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Shah International School. On behalf of the management of Shah, myself, principal, my very endearing staff and students, parents, their support, and of course, a special form of gratitude to Omotech and Avatron Space Aeroway, we have all amalgamated together to come to one great thought process talking about Viksit Bharat at the rate 2047. And what would Viksit Bharat mean to each one of you? To each one of you, Viksit Bharat is nothing but developed Bharat, a developed nation. We are no more a country of snake charmers and bullock carts, but we are a country which is aiming for the stars and for the satellites and to reach outer space. And Indian brains by far are the best brains in the world, and those best brains are being nurtured here within schools with the opportunities that we can provide to young children. Children starting from the age of 3 years to the age of 16 years. This is our experiential group, this is our experiment group. And when these children are gearing for the future, and they have a thought that this is my Bharat, this is my Viksit Bharat, then nothing is stopping the world to see the best form of Bharat. And it aligns with the thought process of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who says Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Viksit Bharat 2047, and keeping in tune with the thought process and vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. Our children have worked very dedicatedly with my entire team of teachers, with Omotech as well as Avatron Space Aerobay, and made sure that they've made us, all of us, proud. And I feel proud to be a part of this beautiful culture where my students and teachers are working hand in hand to get the best experience and give the best experience to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So all of you who are watching, this is Miss Neha Chauhan. She is the founder of Aerobay,
Yes.
and she is our partner at RNSIS, which is RN Shah International School, for promoting and encouraging children to go ahead and take up aeronautics and STEM as a program or a subject. Right, ma'am. Ma'am, from your experience in aerospace industry, how do you see the projects presented at Scientia contributing to innovation and future careers?
Right. Ma'am, it's a wonderful question because me being from aerospace background, I never had an opportunity. Forget about exploring this particular domain, and I had a 0% clarity what does this word actually means. Right? Everybody thinks aerospace is just about making planes and drones and everything. Right? Aerospace could be anything from manufacturing to designing, ideation to even thinking about of life on planet called Mars. Right? So I saw so many projects today in all of these different aspects. Like students were talking about creating artificial gravity in a certain area in region, and then actually having a life outside the planet. So, and let me just point it out, these are not just the exhibition idea, this is happening in real life. Elon Musk is already doing it, many research center is already doing it, and in India is going to happen very soon. So student who wants to actually go and explore these as a professional career options or degrees, them having these projects at school level and actually exploring them will help them to choose those specific and right kind of education degree. When they actually go to the university, they will actually know, am I interested in research, am I interested in designing, am I interested in life outside the planet, or am I interested in just manufacturing process. So there's a division of everything, and aerospace is a very booming, very nice, wonderful career domain, and I feel what they presented today was top notch.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what is this one message that you would like to give to the students who are passionate about STEM or aerospace or
Right.
aeronautical engineering or so on and so forth?
Right. Ma'am, I would like to say to all of these students that STEM is a very important part of our life. Whether it's a day-to-day activity, whether it's a 9 to 5 jobs or business or startup idea, anywhere. Because a lot of people relate STEM just with science and maths or just coding and all of those things. But actually, to all the kids who are listening to me today, STEM is anything. It's an art of problem solving in real life. You know, next time when you are in difficult situation, think from a STEM mindset that if I do this, the result is going to be in this particular way. So once you get into the habit of identifying a problem, solving it, and actually getting a proper outcome out of it. That is a STEM. So whether you study history, whether you study science and maths, whether you are a commerce student, identifying problem, and in a very simple way we call that a design thinking mindset. And we need more people, not more people, all of you in STEM. For the girls who are listening, we need more girls in STEM, because STEM is all about innovating, it's all about creativity. That today you have an iPhone ka model in your hand, what could be the next stage of the same iPhone model? That is going to be STEM, right? So STEM is in everyday's life.
Thank you, ma'am. So beautifully put. Ma'am, in few words, what is the most important takeaway for this particular event that you were a part of with at Arensha?
Correct. Ma'am, for me, the most important takeaway was there is no age limit to the learning, whether you're in class 1 or class 12, it doesn't really matter. It's all about your willingness to explore things, your willingness to understand things and actually present it in front of so many people, because I know it could be very intimidating, just standing and just talking in front of people. So that kind of courage was amazing. I really don't care in which domain they get succeed. Obviously, they all are successful children already. But the fact that I was asking them, they put 8 days, 4 months. Student have planted trees using the orange peels. I mean, 4 months. That's a lot of dedication. So I'm really happy, and I feel I am. It's my honor that today I got a chance because of Payal ma'am to actually come and see all of this process.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much. Thank you so
Thank you.
much, ma'am.